people, morning. Alright, so actually I have some things to go up on the road. So Portmore, not Portmore, Jamaica officially on the weekend lockdown about to start. So we can kind of show you how the road stay. Look on Mondays are probably are going, or civil. It's if it's going to be civil this time around. So, oh, yes, my mask. Alright, so officially today we're gonna make the weekend lockdown start. So we're going on the road to get some things done. Not too much, we actually bought up a lot of things during the week, but we have some regular weekend things we have to do just a little bit extra early. So we'll show you what we're going on the road in the areas them that we're going and see if the place mad like last time around them time here, or even a little bit more, progressive scene that we get to. Um it's just one full day actually, would have been Sunday. So let's see. Yeah, young drive. Alright guys, so the road kind of peaceful so far is just after 77 it's 7:16 right now. So the place ever slowly get filled right now, honestly. I don't think we're going in the dense sections of the traffic, but we'll show you what's happening around us. The traffic farm up there so already. You can zoom in. Yeah, the traffic start up there so already. Alright guys, so you can see that as a plaza is very clean. I don't know if it's that because we come over early or people have them eggs growing them body this time around. Probably early because a lot of shops them still have them grill on. But right now it doesn't look that bad because even last time they would be lining up.
Laundromat this, Jesus Christ, I somebody
It's all well the laundromat we're full up actually then. Where we coming. It's full up, huh? Jesus. Alright, so we're within the laundromat now and we're not gonna leave and go to the market with mommy. They can show you all over there stuff to you.